Hi guys, Mo Magic here. Listen, I wanted to show you version 1 of my website, momagic.net. It's not really a good website. I haven't really touched it in a year. There's no SEO, search engine optimization at all. This image is just a AI generated image. There's a little animation, but it doesn't effectively tell a story. It's just not really a good website. It's not optimized for conversion, for getting leads, getting sales. And I also have my newsletter tied in here, which I should have that on a different page. Promoting CodeBreeze solutions. That's what I do for work. Um, I build websites and help people grow online. Anyway, this is version 1. It needs work. So I'm going to rebuild it and show you what it looks like. 15 hours later and lots of code. Here's momagic.net version 2. Has a 10-second video animation for the hero. Isn't that cool? So when you land on the website, within the first 3 to 6 seconds, you know where I'm located, what I do, and an easy way to contact me. Right here, Book Mo Magic. That's pretty cool. And then if you scroll down, meet Mo. I'm not finished. I'm going to put a button here, learn more, and do a whole about page. Um, these pictures, this is all I got right now. They're just placeholders, but you get the idea. Um, what I do right here. Here's proof. You can watch. Oh, sign up for YouTube. Please hit like and subscribe. Help the Mo Man out. And then here's the trust factor with reviews. These are real reviews. Oh, please leave me a review. A good one. Legit though, if you've seen me work. Oh, and here's an easy way to contact me. Multiple ways, text, call. These are all functional. I think I'm going to change these to buttons. Contact form works. The little stars are mandatory. Name, email, and a simple message. That's all we need. We want to make it as easy as possible for people to reach you, or me in this case. This is just extra stuff. Um, Here's the footers. Came out pretty good. I might put a logo or a picture here. But yeah, it's a one-page website. This just drops down to this different sections. But I'm going to add pages. And here's contact. Yeah, that's Mo Magic version 2. Still in the works. But I like the header, the hero section. Let me know what you guys think in the comment. I appreciate all the support. I really do. And everyone that's been following YouTube and the newsletter. I'm on 37 weeks of the newsletter now. It's really, thank you so much. Thank you for that. Um, all right, guys, Mo Magic out. We'll see you in the next video.